A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I welcome you all to the online maths class. So students, today we are going to do number names from 201 to 250. So let us begin. So I will show you everything in the copy, how to read and write the number names. First we will put CW and date in the copy, and then we will write the heading number names 201 to 210. So we will do number names in the sets of 10. First we will do 201 to 210. Now children, after putting the heading, you will leave one block and write HTO. After writing HTO, you will leave one block and then you will start writing the numbers under HTO like this. Now children, I have left 3 blocks. You can also leave 2 blocks and write the numbers. That would be enough space to write the number names. Now I have finished writing till 210. Now we will start number names. 201. So children, from 201 to 210, 200 and these 3 words will be same in every line, and then we will just write 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to change the spellings of these only. Now the next is 203. I hope till now you must have learned the spellings of all these numbers so far. Now 204, next is 205. Now next is 206. Now we come to the next page, 207. Next is 208. Two 209. 210. Now after 210 we will not write further and we will move to the next page. So here again we will put CW and date, and we will also put the heading number names 211 to 220. So now we will write number names 211 to 220 in one go. Alright. So the procedure will be same every time. We will first write HTO and then start writing the numbers. So under HTO we will write 211, 212 in numbers. So here I have left 2 blocks in between each number. That would be enough space to write the number names. After 217, we'll move to next page. We'll write HTO again, and then we will start writing 218, 219 and 220, 220. After this, we will start writing the number names from 211. So let us start. Just make sure that the first letter should be of capital cursive, alright, and rest should be in small cursive, just like this, 211. So by now you must have learned the spelling of 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. Now the next is 212. 213, 214, 215. Now the next is 215. 216. Now the next is 217. Now we will turn the page. Next is 218. Next 219, and the last one is 220. Now we come to the next part. Number names 221 to 230. As you already can see, I have set the copy as before, writing CW, date, heading and H2O, and I have also write all the numbers. Now we will quickly move writing numbers. 221, 222. Now here also I have left only 2 blocks in between the numbers. If your writing is bigger, then you can leave 3 blocks also. Now after 222 we will write 223. Since we have already done the spelling of 20, we just have to repeat the spellings in every line. 223. So here 220. Till here the words are, the numbers, the spellings are same in every line. We just have to write the number names 1, 2, 3, 4 at the end. Two 225, Now the next is 226. Next is 227. Now we will move to next page, 228. Two hundred and 29. 230. Now boys, you should know the spelling of 230, especially 30 ki spelling, THIRTY 30, because after this we need to repeat the spelling of 30 in this set of numbers. So I have already put classwork date number names heading 231 to 240 HTO, and then we will quickly start off with writing the number names. So the first one is 231. So we have already done the spelling of 30 in the last set of numbers where we wrote 230. After that 230 will be same in every line, and we will just write 231, 232, 233 and so on till 240. Everything should be done in cursive handwriting, children, in a very neat and clean handwriting. Practice number names every day, even if you do not get the homework. Now the next is 236. So again here 230. This will be similar in every line, same, and then we will write 6. Spelling should be written properly without any mistake. After 237 we will turn the page and we'll start writing 238. And the last one is 240. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. Please do not confuse it with 14. Spelling of 40 is different. Now we will move to next set of numbers. We'll put CW date heading number names for 241 to 250. So after writing H2O, I have already written all the numbers, and quickly we shall start with writing the number names. So 241. The first one is 241. Next is 242. As I have said, don't confuse the spelling of 40 and 14. Now the next is 243. Now here also 240 will be same in every line, and we just have to write 1, 2, 3 these spellings. Okay. Now the next is 244. Now the next is 245. Now the next is 246. For writing these number names, the first step is to learn the number names 1 to 20 thoroughly. Alright. Now the next is 247. After writing till 247, we will turn the page. We will again write HTO and then the numbers 248, 249 and 250. And after that we will start writing the number names 248. Don't forget to put the dash between the numbers and number names like this. Try to do all the work in very neat and clean handwriting. Now the last one is 250. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Now here the video ends. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much, and you will do the work properly. Bye-bye.